Life throws curveballs. It's full of unexpected twists and turns that can catch you off guard. It's a chaotic, unpredictable beast. The hustle and bustle of daily life can be overwhelming. As young men, you're stepping into the arena. You're going to face challenges. You're going to stumble. But every fall is a lesson. That's part of the game. It's about learning to pick yourself up and keep moving forward. The key is to rise stronger, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Every setback is an opportunity to grow. The world needs strong, capable men. Men who can adapt, overcome, and inspire others. Men who are ready to take on responsibility, to lead, to build, to be the pillars of their communities. That strength starts from within. It begins with self-awareness and inner peace. It's about discipline, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of self-improvement. Embrace the grind, embrace the struggle, embrace the journey. Because it's in those moments of adversity that you forge your character. It's where true strength is built. That's where you find out what you're really made of. In the quiet moments of reflection, you discover your true self. Remember, life's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about pacing yourself and staying committed. It's about consistency, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. So get after it. The world is waiting. Your time is now. Physical strength is non-negotiable. It's the bedrock upon which we build our lives. Without it, we lack the energy and resilience to face daily challenges. It's the foundation for everything else. A strong body supports a strong mind, and together, they create a harmonious existence. Start your day with movement. Whether it's a brisk jog, a yoga session, or a simple stretch, get your blood flowing and set a positive tone for the day. Hit the gym, go for a run, do some bodyweight exercises. The key is consistency. Make physical activity a daily habit. Find what works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Explore different activities until you find your passion. But it's not just about physical strength. Mental fortitude is equally crucial. A balanced mind complements a strong body. Mental fortitude is just as important. Take time to meditate, practice mindfulness, and engage in activities that challenge your mind. Take some time each day for reflection. Journaling can help you process your thoughts and emotions, leading to greater self-awareness. Read, learn new things, challenge your beliefs. Continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and adaptable. A strong mind and a strong body. That's the winning combination. Discipline yourself, stick to a routine, embrace the journey of self-improvement. The results will speak for themselves. You'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Life's a team sport. You need your crew. Surround yourself with good people. People you trust, people who push you to be better. Talk to your friends, your family, your mentors. Share your struggles, your successes, your fears. Don't bottle things up. A problem shared is a problem halved. Remember, vulnerability is not weakness, it's strength. It takes courage to open up, to ask for help, and it's in those moments of connection that you build unbreakable bonds. Section 4. Navigate the urban jungle. Stay aware. Stay safe. The world can be a dangerous place. Stay vigilant. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't walk around with your head in the clouds. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Avoid unnecessary risks. Don't put yourself in compromising situations. Learn basic self-defense. It's not about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Knowledge is power. And in a dangerous situation, that knowledge could save your life. Section 5. Inner strength. Discipline, resilience, and the keys to success. This section delves into the core attributes that define successful individuals. It's about harnessing the power within to overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's the unwavering commitment to your objectives, even when the going gets tough. It's the difference between talking the talk and walking the walk. Master your emotions. Stay focused and determined, no matter the distractions. Don't let anger cloud your judgment. Keep a clear mind and a steady heart. Don't let fear paralyze you. Resilience is key. It's about getting back up when you get knocked down. It's about finding the strength to continue, even when the odds are against you. It's about learning from your mistakes and coming back stronger. Life's gonna test you, It's going to challenge your resolve. It's going to throw punches you didn't see coming. But every challenge is an opportunity to grow. But here's the thing. You have the power to choose your response. You can decide how you react to adversity. You can either crumble under pressure or rise to the challenge. The choice is yours. Be relentless in the pursuit of your goals. Keep pushing forward, no matter the obstacles. Don't let setbacks derail you. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride. Embrace every moment, every challenge, and every victory along the way.